In life, we are always trying to make sense and meanings out of things, always looking for patterns and figuring out what's coming next. The way we see things shape how we act. Now that's fact, right? And this is also the same in the world of trading. The crypto market is unpredictable and can move in wild ways, but those who understand the pattern behind this movement can actually turn chaos into profit. One of such patterns that tells a story of change is the cup and handle chart pattern, and another pattern that also tells a story of such change is the inverted cup and handle chart pattern. It shows us a shift of how investors in the market feel. We've made a video on the cup and handle chart pattern. I'll be leaving a link to the description below. And recognizing these patterns can be key to making smart trades. As Albert Einstein once said, in the middle of difficulties lies opportunities. Trading may seem tough at times, but with the right opportunity, all you need to do is spot these hidden opportunities within the chaos. Once you learn how to spot patterns like the inverted cup and handle pattern, you will be able to make more confident decisions. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's deal. So, first thing first, what is the inverted cup and handle chart pattern strategy? So, the inverted cup and handle chart pattern is a bearish reversal chart pattern that first forms an uptrend, signaling a potential reversal to the downward side of the market. All right, so it shows an uptrend first and then make a curve like a small letter N. All right, just as if you've turned a cup upside down, right? So it shows an uptrend, then it curves and moves to the downside. That's just how an inverted chart cup and handle pattern looks like. So let me show you an illustration of the component that comprises of this chart pattern. So like we've discussed before, the inverted cup and handle chart pattern starts with an uptrend just like this, all right? And then it makes a curve, all right? It makes a curve and then move to the downside just like this. So this is the body, all right? This is the body of the cup and this is the handle of the cup. So when price moves from this side and gets to this side, all right, and then gives this handle, this is going to be your neckline over here. All right, so this is the neckline. So when price makes this handle and then comes back to this point where the neckline formed, then you can be able to actually make your entry from this point. Now let's go to a real chart, like a real-time chart, so that you can see what is actually happening in the market. Now this is Bybit, right? And we are on the trade section of Bybit. Okay, and this is a 5-minute time frame of BTC USDT. All right, and this is our inverted cup and handle, guys. It is forming. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is our inverted cup and handle chart pattern. Let me clear all this right here. This is the inverted cup and handle chart pattern. It has formed the body of the cup. What remains now is the handle. So this handle is just like a pullback. It's like a retest. All right, it's a retest to grab liquidity and then move to the downside. So when it forms the handle and then gets to this neckline over here, this is the neckline like we've discussed. When it gets to the neckline and the handle has formed, the next thing is for price to actually go down, and price is just going to keep dropping until it gets to a certain level. All right, so on this trade you just have to go short. What I mean by going short is that you are not going to buy long. So this trade doesn't actually work, or this pattern doesn't actually work on spots. It works on futures and on forex. Unlike the normal cup and handle pattern that we've discussed in our previous video, the inverted cup and handle pattern works on futures, because futures allows you to make money even when the market is going down. So all we have to do is wait for a confirmation. Now this is few minutes, all right? This is few minutes after we have identified our cup and handle strategy, and we have waited for a retest, and behold, it actually retested, but the retest was not so significant right here. As you can see, Bybit even gave a buy signal over here. All right, so it retested, so the handle was not clearly out, and then the market was so strong on the seller side, and the market kept going down, like you see, like you're seeing. All right, so in conclusion, the inverted cup and handle strategy, or should I say the inverted cup and handle chart pattern, is a reliable technical indicator used, okay, used by traders to identify potential bearish trends in the market. And this distinctive shape that it has resembles a cup with a handle turned upside down, forming like a small letter N shape. All right, and it's so easy. It's so easy to understand. We don't even have to do all long grammars on this. So while this pattern is effective in predicting price movement, traders should also consider the fact that no trade or no chart pattern or no analysis, no strategy is 100% accurate. Putting that in consideration, you should consider other factors such as the Bollinger Band, okay, and risk management strategies to enhance decision making and improve your overall trading outcome. And however, we'll be discussing all those in our VIP mentorship program. So guys, all these strategies and technique we have been talking about, a lot of videos on technical analysis indicator, ICT and all that, it's a whole lot. I know that it's a whole lot, but the overall fact is that you should just hop on one of the strategies, become exceptionally good at it, become really good at it. Trading is hard and it's easy once you learn. It's hard before you do, but the money keeps coming the moment you learn how to navigate your ways around the market. Market psychology is all you need. Once you know how the big money, how traders do work, you're competing with mathematicians, you're competing with smart brains, you're competing with a lot of people around the world that wants to take your money. So you want to take their money and they want to take your money, and they've been doing this for years. So it's a game of patience. The patient people always win this game. You should learn to discipline yourself, not to allow FOMO, which is fear of missing out, to enter in between you and your analysis. And also learn the act of being patient. If you miss a trade, put up another setup, use multiple time frames, and before you know, you're just going to be printing money. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a nice day.
I mean, I see this, it's so incredible. Ding, 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 boom. Okay, pshin, boom, Star Wars.